Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you top 5 best websites from where you can earn too much money by working hard. Before that, I will show you my channel. Please do like, subscribe, and share. I bring online work for you, legit, without any scam, and best paying sites for you. I do review for you. I'm working hard, so I hope you can enjoy here and subscribe to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you about sites Amazon Tag, Freelancer, Job, Upwork, Fiverr, People Per Hour, and TrueLancer. And I hope you will watch whole video without skipping and do a like, share, and also subscribe my channel. Now, without wasting our time, let's go to our video. First one is Amazon Mechanical Turk. Here you can work small tasks and can earn big money from that. Mechanical Turk is a company which is related to Amazon and big companies like affiliate marketers and freelancers. Here you can sign in as requester, you can buy things, and other option is sign in as a worker. You can earn good wealth from here and you enjoys a lot working with them. You can see big names associated with them. Amazon Mechanical Turk is a term linked with Amazon. You can get started with Amazon Turk here. If you want to work here, just simply go here, sign in as worker. You can see when you click at sign in as worker, you can create new Amazon account here, create new Amazon account, and they will show you to bring your name here, email, password, verify, and create account. Simple method. After that they will verify and ask you for some man types of your work, and then they will give a review to you. Now the second one is Upwork. Upwork is as same as Fiverr, TrueLancer jobs, Freelancer job, and affiliate marketing. You can do graphic designing here, web designing, mobile devices testing, web testing, writing, etc. You can do everything you want to do here with good rates. This site has best rates and you earn too much here. You can see big names trusted by 5 million businesses: Microsoft, Airbnb, Automatic, Bezel, Coty. You can see here simple how it works. That post a job, after posting a job it's free, bid come to you. After that, collaborate easily and payment simplified. Easy method. You can do easiest things you want to do. Other than this, you can also upgrade your account to plus or business. You can do free or basic also. It's best and it's up than Fiverr. Now let's go to Fiverr. What is Fiverr? Fiverr is a platform which gives you opportunity to do jobs like Upwork, graphic designing, voiceover, translation, logo designing, articles, blogs, etc. Plenty of things. You can do editing, you can do other things also. Fiverr Pro is there for you. Become a seller, sign in, join. You can join in here easily and earn money. It's simple. You post a gig, and when you get an order, they will tell you, and you can easily respond to it. And when you respond to it, you will get stars based on a review, based on your work, how good you done that work. Now let's go to People Per Hour. This is probably the best site to work in an hour, part-time or student jobs. You can easily earn from here. You can earn up to $20 an hour or maybe higher. You can see BBC, Business Insider, CNBC, FT, Forbes, the Independent, hire in minutes, pay per hour. You can do whatever you want to do here, post a project and browse jobs, etc. Do the job and you will be paid soon. That's good. And how it works, if we see how it works here, you can work as a freelancer, post a project. After posting a project, you can see here simple task. After that, discover incredible freelancers. If you want to request, here you can see expert in social media marketing. He posted a project and he want £20 per hour. You can also put whichever value you want to put here, and fixed price. If you want to work per hour, fixed price £25, or you want to earn per hour, you can go here as a per hour worker. Freelancing jobs here too much. You can make an account here and then you can start posting projects. Let's go to our last and final fifth one website. This website I have already made a video on it, and I have provided all the details in my video already. It's TRUELANCER, data entry jobs, typing jobs, and freelancer jobs regarding to your category which you want to do. Here you can see skill developer, designer, creatives, blogger, writers, SEO experts, sales marketing, mobile apps. You can do plenty of jobs here too. You can do it at Google Play and App Store. Download it, their app if you want, and you can earn plenty of job here. You can see unit and 100,000 times 5 lakh freelancer working on it, 5 lakh plus projects, 75,000 projects here, and service gigs. You can see 10,000 plus gigs. That's huge. And Smita Mishra, founder, Cool Wallet. You can see other things here. Company and online jobs, work from home jobs, part-time jobs, interior design jobs, voiceover jobs, translator and accounting jobs. You can see freelancers here, logo designers, web developer, SEO consultant, Android developers, iOS developers. Plenty of things you can translate. You can see here, visit that site, and I will surely give link to you in description option, and you can start earning from here. So all the viewers, these was the sites which I bring to you. You can work here and you can earn big money through them. So hope you enjoyed the video. Click the like button, share it, and must hit the subscribe button. Your support is very much important to me. It motivates me to upload daily, so I hope you will enjoy. Subscribe my channel for next videos, upcoming videos. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.